Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing, another limited edition bag from Sephora. This is Play Luxe by Sephora. It's volume 2. If you watch my channel you saw probably volume 1 a while ago. So here is the bag. Comes in this purple bag, and let's see what we have this time. As usually the cards with information regarding each product, and here is the bag this time. The material for this bag reminds me of a coat that I had, I don't know, probably 35 around 30 years ago. But anyway, it's really cute, the material and the color. So let's see what we have in here. Also I like this bag because it has this one. You can take this one off out if you want. So yeah, it's a cute bag. And let's see what we have in this one this time. This is Play Luxe by Sephora volume 2, and let's see what they say about this one. All luxury all the time. Indulge yourself with the brands that make sumptuous skin, lavish lips and silky strands on an everyday occurrence. So this is what they say about this bag, and let's see what we have in here. Also they give you 50 points if you take this to a Sephora store, which I never do. Anyway, is this one, and let's see what we have in the bag. The bag inside is really pretty with this silky material in purple, of course. And the first item in here, it's a beautiful one. We have a good start. I know always people are complaining about those bags, but so far I like them. We have a sample that came in another bag or box or something like this, because I put this one in the samples of the week. Last week I believe I had them. I had a review for this one and the cream, for the cream and for the cleanser, because this one is the cream. We have Tatcha, the water cream, refreshing and anti-aging for perfecting Japanese wild rose. This one comes in 5 milliliters and it's 0.17 fluid ounce. So let me show you the size of this. It's not much product in here, but the packaging is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Looks like this. So it's a pretty nice cream. Because I got the full size, I will leave this one for the sample for one of the giveaways, the sample bags. About this one, it's Tatcha the water cream, a luxurious anti-aging water cream that hydrates skin, controls oil. And about the controls oil, I can tell you that because I have oily skin, especially oily skin, especially in the T-zone, I did remark that my skin didn't produce so much oil while I was using this one. So I think it's a great for that point, a great product for that point. And visibly tightens pore with a burst of powerful Japanese botanicals. Plus, it has a touch of gold that illuminates skin, elegant and understanding, just like the packaging. Better late than dehydrated on the bag. I love the full size packaging. It comes with this gold tiny spoon, which is beautiful, and sitting on top of the lid looks like a bowl. Just saying. I like beautiful packagings. They say a lot about the brand, about the product to me. Let's see product number 2. And we have this time an hourglass product, and this is Extreme Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Looks like this. And about this one, this is the triple treat of mascaras. It's blacker than black formula, delivers endless volume, length and lifts with its unique asymmetrical 4D amplifier brush that coats every last lash streaking pigment. So on the back on this one, for lashes as voluminous as a California King. So here is the brush for this one, because I'm not gonna open it. Let me tell you the size of this. This one comes with 0.12 ounce, which is 3.5 grams. So about this one, try again. Here is the packaging of this one, and I'm not gonna open it because I just opened one of this. Looks like this. I think it came in another in one of those Sephora mascara kits, the Sephora favorites, but it didn't have the packaging, so that's why I didn't recognize that. So anyway, it's another great brand in here. Then we have Tom Ford Black Orchid is the perfume, and comes in this envelope. About this one, the Black Orchid, who says a statement piece has to be visible. This morning, modern yet timeless warm floral scent opens with a blend of sandalwood and incense before unfolding in a sophisticated black orchid aroma. So is this one? I tried this one a long time ago. Time to rest on your florals on the back. I tried this one a long time ago, I believe, and I did like it. Then we have in here a Christopher Robin product, which the more I'm using the brand, the more I like it. And this one looks like this. Comes with, how much is in this one? 50 milliliters, which is 1.7 fluid ounces. And this one smells so nice, really nice and fresh. And this one is regenerating mask with let me look on the card. So this one is regenerating mask with rare prickly pear seed oil. You don't need a reason to have red carpet, ready hair. This intensive repairing mask boosts strength, radiance with a regenerative pure prickly pear seed oil and pigment reviving inula extract, leaving hair smoother, softer and shinier from root to tip. So I do like their brand. I got couple kits with products from Christopher Robin. I like the volumizing paste. All you need is just to use a hair balm or a hair lotion on top of that. It does gives to your hair a nice volumizing effect. But I didn't try this one. I will try this one because it's a mask. I will try this one with the volumizing paste and we'll see how this works. So far I like the scent, I like the product from the brand. Then we have more products. One of them is the Tata Harper, and this one is rejuvenating serum. Is this guy right here, and this one comes with 10 milliliters, which is 0.33 fluid ounces. The rejuvenating serum from Tata Harper is a rich concentrated formula that infuses skin with hyaluronic acid, antioxidants and vitamins for just back from a spa retreat radiance. Bug bean extract visibly firms skin, while Spanish lavender extract diminishes the look of wrinkles. So sounds good. And on the back Christopher Robin, they say here your hair is a doppelganger, silk, whatever that means. And for the Tata Harper, they say prepare to be carded. Is this one. We have one more product in here. And this one is the Givenchy Rouge Interdit Vinyl. Looks like this. And looks like a black color product on the paper. And here is the packaging. Really nice and beautiful. Very elegant, I would say. And let's see how this one looks. Yeah, actually it's a dark gray black product. No scent to this one. Let's see what they say about this product. A Rouge Interdit Vinyl Color Enhancing Lipstick and 16 Noir Revelator, something like that. A moisturizing high shine lipstick that uses a rare black rose oil to transform lips into a unique enhanced version of your own color, ranging from sheer berry to deep plum. That sounds interesting. Consider it the little black dress of lipstick, classic, sexy, and universally flattering. So I will put this one in. I will put this one in that bag with lipsticks that I got in boxes. If you want me to put this one in samples of the week, just let me know and we can put this for the next video. Looks interesting to me because I have already lipstick one. I'm not gonna try this one in this video, but actually let's try to swatch this on my hand and see what this one does. So far, this is the way it looks on my hand. I'm really curious to see how this one looks on lips. I don't see any color in here. It's just very pale and shiny also. So we'll see how this one turns on the lips. So that's kind of all. That's kind of all for this kit. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. This one is $20 as usually. It might come on sale later. So to me this color looks more turns more into a purple, but we'll see. So far we have six products in here. Great brands as Givenchy, Tatcha, Tom Ford, Christopher Robin, Tata Harper, and Hourglass. I do like those bags that comes from Sephora. Let me know what do you think. I know the sizes are small, but with those brands you cannot expect huge sizes because those products alone are quite expensive. So I do like the bag. Let me know if you like the bag, the products, if you try them and how they work for you. So that's kind of all for now. I will see you guys very soon with something else. In the meantime, you have an amazing day, a great night if it's night there. Stay warm in your heart. See you soon. Bye bye.